Welcome. Thanks for joining me. Let's learn some more epic blues rhythm guitar. So in this video, we're going to continue where we left off in the last video, and I'm going to give you a few ways to lead in to our three chords in our 12-bar blues in A. Check this out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1. So I'm going to break those pieces down, and I'm going to play along with them later in the video at the end so you can play along with me. I'll try and keep this as short and sweet as possible, and what I love to do is to go more in depth, a little bit about the chords, the theory, and to give you a few more options. I'm going to do that on my brand new Patreon page. I'll stick this in the free section. I'm building up a bit of stuff in there, just so you can explore. I'd love for you to check it out. And let's dive into it. Okay. So, we're playing a 12-bar blues in A, and we're using these two chord shapes and a simple rhythm. That's what I went over in the last video. If you don't know exactly what I'm talking about, make sure you check that out. I'll put the links below. If you do, let's dive into our really cool variations. So what we're going to do today, we're going to lead in to each of our chords. The main thing here is to know how far to lead in from, which really depends on which beat we lead in from. So check this out. This is what I'm going to do. Here's our A7 from our last video. And we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That's all we're doing. We're starting on the and after 3. We're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. We're going to lead into all three of our chords that way. But what we're also doing, in the very first video, our rhythm the entire time was just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, we're going to level that up a whole bunch today just by changing the beats a tiny bit. This is a classic rhythm. You can hear it especially in old swing era songs, like Rock Around the Clock and In the Mood and stuff like that. But listen to this. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, you saw me change chords, and the rhythm is different in every second bar. This is a 2-bar rhythm. You can play this rhythm for the rest of your life, so let's master that first. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Pay close attention to which counts I'm playing on, and go back over that as many times as you need to until you can feel that rhythm and drum that rhythm out. That's why, remember, our first bar is A, our second bar is D. So that's why I changed chords. Watch this again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Here's my D7 from last time. And we're going to go through that format for all 12 of our bars. When we lead to the D, we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, leading into our D. When we lead into the E, in bar 8, we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, leading into our E. Sometimes we get to hang out on one chord for both bars, and sometimes we have to change chords halfway through our rhythm. But that's all there is to it. This is a really good way of learning these rhythmic ideas for your lead playing and your rhythm playing. The idea of starting on the and after 3 and leading or ending on beat 1 is something you're going to be able to use in a ton of different places. So, let me play through this whole thing one time for you. Then we're going to go over our second variation. And then at the end of the video is your play-alongs. I'd love for you to stick around. All you got to do to perfect this is play along with me in the video. Okay, here's the whole thing. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2. Here comes the second line. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Third line. Here comes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. We're back at the top again. Okay, here is variation 2. Remember, on that free new Patreon page of mine, I'm going to have at least 2 more variations, and I'm going to talk a little more about the music theory behind some of this stuff too, and some of these chord shapes. All right, so this one is actually even easier. Today, I'm going to lead into each chord from beat 4, and I'm going to lead in from 1 fret below each chord. This is something, again, you're going to be doing for the rest of your life. You can do this almost any time you want. I'll stick with the simple rhythm from last week's video for every single bar. Check this out. You'll get the hang of it right away. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Second line. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Third line. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4 and back to the top. That's all there is to it. You can keep the same rhythm going every single time, and you can lead in from 1 fret below. Today we did it on beat 4. Okay. So there you have it. Now hopefully you have your notes memorized. Make sure to watch my video. You've got the world's easiest way if you don't. And hopefully you have the chords in your 12-bar blues memorized. Bonus points if you know how to change between keys and use today's shapes to play in whatever key you want. Again, I got videos on that already, and I'll go more in depth later on too. Okay, here's the final part of our video, the play along section. This is just for you to practice right along with me. If you can play along with these videos, you've got it nailed. Now let me know in the comments if this is easy, if this is hard, if it's too fast, or what else you want to see from my video, or what you want me to go in depth on in my Patreon as well. Okay, here's back to our very first variation of the day. I'll play through this 2 or 3 times in a row, fairly slowly. See if you can follow along. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. See if you can do it without the counting. And 4 and 1. Make sure you're counting yourself. Let's do one round a little faster. See if you can do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 Alrighty, here's a play along for our second variation. This one's pretty straightforward, but you still want to be able to do this pretty much in your sleep. So let's try this out. Remember, we're on beat 4, leading in to our classic little rhythm. Follow me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3. Second line. 4 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Third line. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Let's do it one more time. And 3 and 4. Back to the top. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and second line. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Third line, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Here it's without the counting. Oops. Okay, let's start that again. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Keep counting in your head. One more time. Back to the top. You can use these patterns for the rest of your life. And leave lots of space for the other musicians, which is awesome when you're jamming. All right, so there we go. Again, if you want to be more in depth, if you want a couple more variations, you can practice. Check out that free post on my Patreon. I'd love you to check it out anyways. I'm just getting it started, but it will improve your playing a ton. It's focusing on improvising and jamming. Aside from that, all the usual, like, subscribe, and comment and share. I appreciate everything you do to help me grow this channel so I can help more people like you. Awesome. Thanks so much. I will see you next time.